Hi friends, my name is Shishwa and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do blending. As the name seems, blending is just mixing something. Friends, in general terms, friends, in drawing, we used to blend color pencils, graphite and charcoal, but we don't use any blending tools on color pencils other than some techniques. But in graphite and charcoal, we used to have blending tools. The first and the foremost used blending tool is paper stump. It's been used by nearly all the artists. Then dry brush, then tissue paper, then cotton bud. I have seen most of the people using these four things, and I'm just going to break down the things for this. Friends, I'll show you the example right away here so you can see that. Then the first and the foremost and the most used material is paper stump. Paper stump is one of the most powerful blending tool I have ever used.
I'm going to use an HB pencil for this, and I'm going to explain you about 4 blending tools. So I'm going to make 4 just a shading like this. Here we have the shades which are uneven, but I'm going to blend it. So let's start. Here I'm having a cleaned tip of a paper stump and here an uncleaned one. For the both sides, let me show you what an uncleaned paper stump will do to your shading or the blending. It will leave some residue of the old one and it will be messy to look like this and it won't look good. So always clean your paper stump before using it for another drawing. And if you are doing this, and always go in the opposite side or the opposite direction as you're shading, it will be good to see. That's it. So here we have that. Then
friends, after watching this video, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives who loves art. And I'm posting weekly 3 videos here and you can watch the thing you like. Then friends, if you have any suggestion, drop them down below in comments. I'll be seeing it and I'll make a video according to that. Then friends, the second tool is dry brush.
Friends, for the dry brush you are going to use the circular movement technique. Just use like this.
One of the most powerful tool. It will never ruin your paper texture and it will give a smooth finish without filling the creases on your paper, and it will be super awesome. Then friends, the third thing is tissue paper. Tissue paper is used by nearly most of the artists, but not in every cases. It depends upon the cases, and if you want to blend a huge area, people will use a bunch of cotton like this or a tissue paper because it gives the smoothest finish by filling all those creases on the paper, and it will be so smooth.
Put your finger like this on the corner and start shading it, start blending it in the circular motion. In this case, your paper towel will be taking a lot of graphite into it, so the blending might become a bit lighter.
And then the last and final tool is cotton or cotton bud.
I'm going to use a cotton or a Q-tip or a cotton bud, whatever you can call it. Then just grab it like this and start blending it. Circular motion or in the opposite direction. It is up to you and up to your preference. Then just go in the circular motion itself. Here we have it. As I said, the tissue paper and the cotton bud will take a lot of graphite from the paper, so it will be like a bit lighter, but it won't be messy. So I hope you got it. Friends, in this thing you can see the tissue paper and the Q-tip or the cotton done a pretty good job, but you can use these things only for huge areas, so it doesn't count that much. But if you take these 2 things, paper stump and dry brush, you can use it for anything. So I recommend you to use paper stump at the most of the times when you want the smoothest blending ever. But if you want some texture and as well as you want to blend some areas, just use a dry brush. It will be awesome. So I hope you got that point.
So I hope this video helps you, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives who just want to know these things. And As I said, I'm posting weekly 3 videos and have already posted more than 168 videos, and please go watch some of videos. And if you are new to this channel, I'd love to have you subscribe right here, because 70% of the audience are not subscribed to our channel, and please subscribe. And then friends, please turn on the post notifications, because you'll get notification for my every videos and it will be great. And thank you so much for watching friends. See you in the next video.